I'm convinced I need like a head camcorder because so much stuff be happening that I wish I got on camera, or as I'm taking a picture, I wish I got on camera. I just literally made a squirrel pose for me. And you know, animals actually, like, they listen. I saw this video of a squirrel comprehending what a human was saying.
The fucking squirrel is back. It look evil as fuck. I'm terrified. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, you bitch.
As I walked up on it, it started moving. I was like, wait, let me take the picture. And it stopped. And I started taking the picture. I'm like, you're taking it, honey. And she turned her face. I was like, oh! It's 7 a.m. in the mother freaking morning. And I'm top of the morning. Period. I'm so, like, because I got a lot of personal stuff going on right now in my life. And, yeah. It's just been a lot. But I'm pushing through. Look at this pamper. Alright, BRB. I do not know what they was doing there. But, bummer, y'all. Look. I did transfer my pictures to SD card, but I just never deleted them. So I'm just delete some. The little birdies in the trash. Period. I'm walking back home now. It's now like 9 o'clock in the morning. So I've been walking for like about an hour and a half. I did take a pit stop instead of somebody's backyard. Yeah. That's why I got the trespassing picture. I'm gonna put it right. Oh, I see a red robin. Hey girl, pose for the camera. Ooh, we go. There she go. All right, see you later, girl. Sound like it's a nest in this tree. BRB. In the PJs. It's now 10 o'clock. I don't know what the hell time went. The older lady covered her face. Girl, you're not even a girl. I'm hot as fuck. I don't even know what degrees it is today, but I know it's above 70 for shit show. It feels like 80 right now. Let me check the weather and I'll be BRB. I hit it on the head. It's 70 degrees. The highest is 75. I got this thick shit on. The sun is out and blazing, honey. It's coming to play. How you doing? You looking good, girl? Period. Yeah. I'm about to go take a shower, charge my battery. Mm-hmm.